am a wild child, yes I am. I love the country and I wanna run free, and I don't wanna live up to anyone's plan. I wanna feel the good vibes and I wanna feel the sunshine with you by my side.
I think this is a little baby ringneck snake I just caught. About the size of a nightcrawler. Let's see him.
You can hold me tight if you wanna hold me tonight. Take me where the music's playing. Get me on the dance floor and pull me a little closer, and I am a wild child, yes I am.
So the water was just up here a few days ago after the hurricanes. Thankfully it's down. I have to cross this to the left side of that big rock. Oh yeah.
So we never think about you and me, but today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood.
We did it.
You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come, but sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. I be thinking about what life could be. Imagined it was only you and me. Woke up from the longest dream. Baby, now you got me on my knees. I've been waiting on you just to get my hopes up, but we can never make it there. I can't help but feeling scared. What's it gonna take for you to finally show up? Water in my eyes make it hard to see, cause sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. I just wonder what you're dreaming of when you sleep and smile so cold. thinking that I had it made. Gonna make it on my own.
What's up, guys? How are you? Good.
Life can take the strongest man, make him feel so alone. Now and then I feel a cold wind blowing through my aching bones. I think back to what my daddy said. Said, boy, in the darkness just before dawn, let your soul shine. It's better than sunshine. I know it's better than moonshine. Damn sure better than rain.
This is called the Big Eddy Trail. Stayed at the campsites just out here. It's 10:18 right now. Did a little fire on the rocks last night. Took a bath about 7:30 right over here. Went fishing this morning, caught 2 creek chubs. No trout, unfortunately. But yeah, a bunch of good swimming holes.
She can feel like this. And when the world seems
Melon Lake Stream lean-to. And that was.
hard to tell you.
Spruce Lake lean-to number 3. Some tent sites to the right. Couple random canoes. More tent sites over yonder. Highly recommend.
Talking about soulshine. It's better than sunshine.
Sampson Bog Outlet. I think there's supposed to be a little bridge right here, but she's gone. See what we can do.
Don't feel this way sometimes. Got to let your soul shine. Yeah, shine on and on and on and on. I said it's better than sunshine. It's better than moonshine. It's damn sure better than rain. Hear me now. Well, now people don't mind. Don't you mind? Don't feel this way sometimes.
This is the West Canada Creek lean-to, just after the bridge back there. Going over the West Canada, obviously. So bathroom over here. Looks like some good tent site areas down there. Let's see what else we have.
I don't feel the sun's coming out today.
Nice and sturdy.
Staying in, just gonna find another way.
Where am I?
Yeah. As I sit here in this misery, I don't think I'll ever know, Lord, see the sun from here. And oh, as I fade away, they'll all look at me and say,
Without getting too wet.
I'll never live that way. And that's okay. They're just afraid to change. When you feel life ain't worth living, in the painted. Knows I've had away. They'll all look at me and say, they'll say, hey, look at him, and where he is these days. Life is hard.
And this is the Beaver Pond lean-to. Little bridge over the Cedar River, just after the Beaver Pond lean-to.
I don't wanna be waiting in line. I got too many things that I could do with my time, and I don't wanna feel this confined.
Got a little tiny brook trout.
I can't avoid this feeling. Another siren sounds. The last straw, I'm leaving. It's time to leave this crowd. In fact, I might go first thing in the morning to lay low. I gotta get out of here for real. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Find some cleaner air to breathe. Yes, get away from everything. Never ever ever felt like this. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Find some cleaner air to breathe. Yes, get away from everything. And never ever ever felt like this. Really and truly, I should pack up and find my way under the stars. When I look outside, doesn't matter if it's raining at all. Got the sun in my soul. Ooh, to let the bad vibes go. It's like the breeze in the trees, music making me at ease, and it's still in the air. Barbecue and family, all friends everywhere. 'Cause my time rolls on, no matter how far away. Good times they come and go, each and every day. Pulling up in the Volvo, living that South Bay dream. Hearing laughter from the house, yeah, straight to the streets. And you can tell who's cooking the food, yeah, when you're walking the front door. Talking stories about the past and smoking up some more. 'Cause my time rolls on, no matter how far away. Good times they come and go, each and every day. Yesterday is gone, and memories are my head up in outer space. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. When I see trouble come my way, I'll be making lemonade. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. Hey little lady, I know you're feeling crazy. All your other friends are busy making them babies. Been out in the real world, don't like how it's tasting. Let me change your mind with my little old saying. 2, 4, 6, 8, who do we appreciate? Put some sugar in my water, cause we making Minute Maid. Fuck all the hate, do a shimmy shake. Throw a middle finger up down the interstate. Living in this big new world, with my head up in outer space. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. When I see trouble come my way, I'll be making lemonade. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. I'd be lying if I said I knew the way.
Hidden Cove Lean to. There's a beach out front, some view of London.
I've had terrible, horrible, no good, very bad days. But I'm a G, can't you see that I will always be A-OK. A-OK. I'm gonna be A-OK. You gonna be A-OK. We gonna be A-OK. Living in this big new world, with my head up in outer space. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. When I see trouble come my way, I'll be making lemonade. I know I'll be A-O-A-OK. I know I'll be
River strong, you can swim inside it. We could string some lights up the hill beside it. Tonight the moon's so bright, you could drive with your headlights out. 'Cause a little bit of summer's what the whole year's all about. You look fine, fine, fine. Put your feet up next to mine. We can watch that waterline get higher and higher. Say, ain't it been some kind of day? You and me been catching on like a wildfire. Don't get up just to get another. You can drink from mine, we can leave each other. We can dance with the dead, you can rest your head on my shoulder if you wanna get older with me. 'Cause a little bit of summer makes a lot of history.
We just trying to catch a good time, even if it takes all night. Pass that bottle around the campfire, sipping apple pie moonshine. Yeah, we picking on them guitars just right. Everybody singing Dixieland delight, like a bobber on a wet line.
Miller's Falls.
80 degrees and the sun ain't even out. We got a spot a couple miles out of town, and when that moon comes up, you know it's going down. We got them folding chairs leaning way back, no other plans other than to relax. We ain't worried about tomorrow from where we at. We just trying to catch a good time, even if it takes all night. Pass that bottle around the campfire, sipping apple pie moonshine. Yeah, we picking on them guitars just right. Everybody singing Dixieland delight, like a bobber on a wet line. We just trying to catch a good time.
Tell me what I gotta do to feel right. I just feel the same from the last night. It's like everything I swallowed down the wrong pipe. I'm hoping that tomorrow will be alright. Don't ask me though, I probably won't be living long. With that moon, that's probably what I'm sitting on. This ain't life, don't sprint, it's a marathon. And if I would've listened, I'd be sicker than that heroin. Oops, there I go, now I'm gone. To my friends and my fam, I'll be back by tomorrow. They know that it's a lie, I'm hoping I'll be alright. Look up at the purple sky, I know that I'm still alive.
I've seen the light shine through your eyes, for the days don't seem as long when I think of you a while. Another day, another try. When I call you on the phone, let you know I'm still alive. I bring the storm to calm the fire in your eyes. Long until I hold you, and yet my mind you wanna wind until it's right, and all the things I should have told you. One more night and then I'm home. Alabama, Arkansas, hard to love my mind, but not the way that I do love you. Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. God, I've never loved one like you. And oh my best friend, I scream into the nothingness.
4 o'clock on the dot. I haven't seen my dad in a couple hours. He was ahead of me last I knew. Passed me on the bridge when I was taking a picture. A little bridge over Chubb River after Winnetka Falls. And I haven't seen him since. I hooked it for a ways, didn't see him, sat for 15 minutes. Nothing. Yelled his name a few times. Nothing. Blew my whistle, nothing. Not sure if I should go to the end and wait, or... I don't know.
Take me home, mother, I'm coming home. I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never